in this video I'm going to show you how to do a chain stitch, which is quite a fun way to just create interest and just add a different dimension. So I'll come out of my fabric and then the needle goes back in where it came out, and then also I'll hold on to this little loop and bring the needle back out just a little bit ahead, and then the loop goes over the needle and I'll pull through. So you see it creates a little loop that is anchored through the thread. Then I will repeat the pattern. So the needle goes back in where the thread came out of the fabric, hold onto my loop, come out a little way ahead and pull it over. And essentially keep repeating the pattern. Once you're done, you can just take your needle, just a little bit ahead of the last loop and pull it through just so that it's anchored over there. So a nice little variation of chain stitch is a lazy daisy. So it's a way of doing a little flower. So you will essentially do the same stitch but in a circle, and all your stitches will have the same center point. So I'm doing a single lazy daisy or a single chain stitch and anchoring it down. Then I will come out back where I started. So this point here will be the center of our little flower. So now I'm just using the chain stitch just to create the little petals of the flower. So if you do want to sort of plan the distance between your petals ahead of time, you can use a heat erasable marker, so a friction pen, and you can essentially just draw a little star, but otherwise you can just wing it like this and hope for the best. One of the best parts about embroidery is that it's not permanent. If you don't like something or if it didn't work out the way you planned, you can always unpick it and do it again. So I'm just going to do my last little petal here. And I'm almost running out of thread, so it's good timing. Oops. There we go. So then I've created that little flower. And you can also, if you want to add extra interest, do a little, we'll do a French knot stitch in here, or add a bead, or leave it as is. But yeah, it's just quite a nice little simple way of doing a flower.